Hi, I'm Kacper, I'm an engineer at MTS Technik, and today I'd like to present the MTS GW BM12 coilover suspension kit, which is designed for the first generation BMW 1 Series and 5th generation BMW 3 Series, both in sedan and coupe bodies with rear-wheel drive. Our kit comes in three variants: street, stance and comfort, and today I will focus only on street and stance variants. The front axle is equipped with shock absorbers, finished in gold zinc plating, featuring a hexacoil adjustment nut. Thanks to the use of a clamping screw, hexacoil significantly improves the comfort of adjusting the suspension height. The front springs are made by a German company, eibach. These are ERS-type springs with linear characteristic. Also, their inner diameter of 60 mm allows for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness levels. Additionally, the front axle includes helper springs, which provide preload for the main spring, as well as bump stops, dust covers, and black anodized aluminum spring cap. The rear axle is equipped with sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, adapted for the lower suspension. Also, they have increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorbers. Rear springs are also made by eibach and also have linear characteristics. Additionally, our kit includes bump stops, dust covers, and black anodized aluminum height adjusters. In the package, besides the kit itself, you will also find adjustment wrench, technical documents such as installation manual, TUV certificate, and 2 MTS Technik stickers. Thank you for your attention.